There are places where architecture, land and sea come together perfectly. Places unlike anything else on this coast. This is Villa Capo Berta. Villa Capo Berta sits above the Ligurian Sea, between Imperia and Diano Marina. The setting is private and open, with wide views over the coast. Almost 48,000 square meters of land surround the house, giving the property a rare sense of space. Completed in 2014, the villa follows the natural shape of the hillside. Stone, white walls and large glass openings give the house a clean Mediterranean character. From the land, the villa feels discreet. From inside, it opens almost completely toward the sea. The villa offers around 825 square meters of interior space. The main living areas are arranged on one level, with a natural flow between the living room, the dining area, kitchen and terraces. Large windows bring in light and keep the sea in view throughout the day. At the center of the house, the original stone arches add warmth and character. They connect the dining area and the kitchen, creating one of the most distinctive spaces in the villa. The kitchen is large, refined and designed for both everyday use and entertaining. The main rooms open directly onto wide sea-facing terraces. This is not an outdoor area added to the house. It is one of its main living spaces. Dining, relaxing, entertaining. Deep covered areas also provide shade, making the terraces comfortable for much of the year. The pool sits below the main house, in a more private part of the garden. Its position follows the line of the horizon. From here, the pool, sea and sky almost become one. There are 7 bedrooms, all with private bathrooms. The rooms are generous, bright and quiet. The focus remains on comfort, privacy and the view. The garden level offers also service areas, gym and cinema. Direct access to the garden also allows this floor to work more independently when needed. The estates include around 130 olive trees, Mediterranean planting and large areas of private land. This is one of the elements that truly separate Villa Capo Berta from the most properties on the Riviera. The villa is not simply surrounded by a garden, it sits within its own landscape. The villa also performs at a very high technical level. It has an A4 energy rating and 80 photovoltaic panels, which currently cover its daytime energy needs. For a property of this size, that level of efficiency is an important advantage. Despite the privacy, Imperia and Diano Marina are only a few minutes away. Sanremo, Alassio, Monaco and the French Riviera are also within easy reach. An adjoining property can also be purchased separately with an approved project for another independent villa. This creates the possibility of a guest house, a second family home or a larger private estate. Villa Capo Berta is a property that is difficult to compare, not because of one single feature, but because of the combination. The scale of the house, the privacy of the land, the architecture, and this extraordinary relationship with the Mediterranean. I am Matteo Scandolera from Liguria Homes Casamare and Hamptons.